Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here, but I have a guess just because I can kind of see the blue right there. So we're going to find out. Thanks so much to who I think sent this. I will link this down below. Usually these knives, if they are what I think they are available. They're for a pretty good price. So I'll make sure it's linked down in the description for you guys to check out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. His channel passed 250,000 subscribers. Holy crap. That is a weird thing to think about. Anyways, thanks so much for subscribing. I'm really glad you guys are enjoying watching me do the same thing over and over again. I'm having fun, right? All right, we got something from Miguron. They've gone with this robin's egg. I don't know if this is like a company-wide change or if they're just like, you know, because it's like close to Easter. That wouldn't make sense, but I mean, okay, yeah, you will be able to differentiate their boxes from other boxes. I mean, that's definitely not a color that we usually see. So, you know, I don't know, maybe that's a smart move. So what do we got here? This is called the... Oh, wait, is this the new... Maybe... And is this the budget one, perhaps? I really, I gotta say, I think... I really like Miguron stuff all the way around, but it's their budget stuff that impresses me the most. Okay, so we have a nice tumbled blade. We got some Coyote or maybe some FDE scales. We got, boy, that's nice. The action is very smooth. And listen to that. Oh boy, that's crispy. Miguron does an excellent job with pricing their budget stuff and the overall, it's the ratio of fit and finish and just overall, you know, production quality to cost. Some of the best that I have ever seen. If you are not familiar with this is no different. The action is ridiculous. Can you get at that fuller? No, dang it. But you can easily use the thumb studs. You'll have to excuse this. I poked myself really good with the new CJRB Pyrite in the video that I just recorded. The front flipper works great, and both the thumb studs also work great. I would imagine, what's the steel? It's 14C28N. We got a little bit of, let me get one of my 400 microfiber cloths. I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. So you guys know I get a lot of stuff for free, right? Obviously, this was sent to me for free. I get a lot of stuff for free from manufacturers and retailers, right? I give a lot of it away, most of it away, but I keep all the microfiber cloths for myself. I keep them all. I don't give those away. Those are mine. I keep them because I need them. I'm always losing them or I'm poking myself and having to clean up, right? That's my filthy secret, huh? I always say I'm an open book, and you guys know exactly how this channel operates. I've kept one secret. I've kept one secret from you all this time. I've been keeping those microfiber cloths. Oh man, I'm not kidding. Actually, here's I just reached in and just grabbed a handful. Yeah, I got 3 drawers of those. All right. Anyway, sorry, I got a problem. You thought I had a problem with pocket knives? I basically have my own collection of microfiber cloths at this point. Titanium pocket clip, full backspacer. It is G10, but that's fine. Nice texturing there on the G10. I guess, yeah, I'm going to call that peel ply. Really great fit and finish all the way around. 14C28N. I can almost guarantee, I can't because I haven't seen it yet, but I can almost guarantee the price tag on this knife is very, very good. I think this is the budget version of a premium knife that I have just recently talked about. Is it the Pagos? I mean, it says Pago and then ... Like, whatever program you're using to print these labels, like, it should be spread out so you can get all of this and not have to include the ... on there. That way we know what the heck we're looking at. I'll find it, link it down below. If you are new or if you're just curious about Miguron knives in general, I will make sure that Miguron knives are linked down below so you guys can go through and look at them. I'd like to measure this real quick, even though we're 5 minutes in. I probably should have just done it immediately. This is not a review. We're just getting first impressions here. This is just shy of 7.5. It's about 7.35 inches overall. Blade length is actually pretty good. I'm going to call that 3.25. You could measure it all the way back here and call it 3.4. I don't know if that's fair. I think 3.25 is fair. Cutting edge is coming in at maybe 3 1/8. The factory edge feels great. I remember, you know, the Miguron Valona, the first Miguron I ever handled, and I was like, what on earth? How are they doing this? The only thing that kind of sucked about that knife is that the factory edge wasn't really all that impressive. Literally every other part of the knife was pretty impressive. They have definitely fixed that. I mean, I've got that knife. Where is it? I think it's over here. Hold on. And I think it's actually in the same configuration. There it is. Yeah, this guy. Same kind of deal. We have the titanium clip and the kind of the coyote, right? This knife is like $52. And it's also in 14C28N. I think you can still get this one too. But yeah, Miguron's pretty impressive. Titanium pocket clip too. That's nuts, right? Do they mill it on both sides? Yeah, they do. Thank you for doing that. Really nice tumbled finish as well. Let's weigh it. But I remember being like, holy crap, that is like the nicest knife ever. But the initial one that I had, which is in that weird DCN 28, whatever, Super D2 stuff, it just didn't have a great factory edge. Weight, 3.56 ounces, so not bad. Very, very close to a, you know, completely balanced knife. Ergonomically feels pretty good. Not much of a choke up spot you could get up here. It's not too bad, right? This area is kind of rounded out. But honestly, just more impressive stuff from Miguron. Pending the price tag, this feels pretty good. If the price tag, if they're keeping it down, remember, I know they're still selling this guy for 50 to 55 bucks, right? If this guy's in the same ballpark, that's, I mean, right there, it's already great. 14C28N and these materials with this execution, this fit and finish, this is good, right? I don't think that I mean, I've reviewed this model in premium form. I think it's hard to remember with the, you know, 3,200 uploads I've done at this point. But this will get its own video. If you want to wait and hear my thoughts, it'll get its own video, its own full comprehensive review after I've had a chance to carry it and use it a bit here in just 2 to 3 weeks, right? Because there's other stuff pre-recorded that needs to come first. But yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Thanks so much to Miguron for letting me check this out. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.